Hello, my name's Rhiannon Cobner and I'm a consultant clinical psychologist. I'm lead for Gwent Community Psychology. We're a team of clinical psychologists, systemic family therapists and an assistant psychologist. Our role is to take psychological ideas out of the clinic and into our communities. It all began a number of years ago with a small partnership with a housing association, and now we have partnerships across a wide range of sectors, including health, education, social care, the police, the voluntary sector, and sport and leisure. Our hope is to be able to work with people so that they can create the conditions necessary to support our children and young people's healthy psychological development. We also want them to feel confident about being able to support children and young people when things get tough in their lives. I trained as a psychologist back in the 1990s at UCL, but choose to work in Gwent because I grew up here. I grew up in Torvine, and I feel it's a real privilege to be able to give something back to the communities that help to shape who I am today. I also feel really passionate about helping people to make sense of children's difficulties as being understandable if we look at the context of their lives. And I feel working with children and young people brings so much hope. So thank you very much for the opportunity to be able to talk with you.